Hey everyone, this is Sunita and you're watching Sunita's English Adventure. I hope you all are doing amazing. So, if you're new here, let me tell you, this channel is one-stop place for you to not just learn English but to actually live it through my English vlogs and real-life conversational videos. So, if you haven't already, do hit that white subscribe button and join me on this journey. So, let's talk about weather. This is something I always do in my vlog, and it has become a little ritual for me now to talk about the weather whenever I begin. So yes, it's 6:30 in the evening and I can feel a bit chilly right now. That's why I'm wearing sweater, but it's quite pleasant in a way, I must say. So I'm really enjoying it. I'm loving the moment right now. And you know what? It has been raining on and off for almost a week now. The weather has become a bit chilly and we have taken out our warm clothes as well. Even the government has declared holiday for yesterday and today because of the red alert that we were notified about. But have you noticed this thing that whenever government declares any kind of holiday because of the weather condition, the weather suddenly turns pleasant as if it is playing a trick on us. My kids have not been going to school for days now because of the weather. And if you are also sailing in the same boat, I'm sure your kids must be wandering around your work area and must be troubling you in your work, right? But let's be honest, our kids are our top priority. We cannot neglect them, right? So today was one of those days when my kids were home and I didn't take any calls, no WhatsApp sessions, no YouTube sessions. So I made this conscious decision to make myself completely available to them. And it was worth it. I spent some quality time with them. I mean, we studied together and we laughed, we played together. So I'm going to show you a glimpse of everything moving forward. Do enjoy. Chalo batao. What about this?
Don't watch for too
Long.
long.
Don't watch screen for too long, like 2 hours, 3 hours. You can watch for maximum 1 hour.
Yes.
Okay?
Don't watch screen for 2 hours.
Or for too long. Okay. What about this? Rudu.
Don't plug by yourself. A socket can help.
Okay. So do not touch the electrical wires or sockets. Do not plug in by yourself.
Yes.
You are just a kid.
Yes. And ask people to do it.
Do it for you. You can ask your parents.
It will cause the dangerous wire जो बिजली होती है ना वहाँ पर उसका return ही दिख
It can cause electrical shock.
or you will be then dead.
And you can die. Okay, what about the next one? What about the next one? This one. Tell me.
Don't take anything from strangers.
Good job. Repeat after me. Don't take anything from strangers. Repeat after me.
Don't take anything from strangers.
Right. What do strangers give you? What do strangers give you?
What is tasty but it's not healthy.
Yes, that might be tasty, but it's dangerous
Yes,
because they might poison it.
It is something.
लड़ाई नहीं करो. Yes, that's right. तो आगे से आप लड़ाई नहीं करोगे ना? Do not fight with each other. Do not fight with each other. Okay, I'll ask you. What about this one?
Don't play on the street or you will get hurt from cars.
Yes, that's right.
पापा बुला रहे हैं.
पापा बुला रहे हैं?
हाँ.
जब पापा बुला रहे हैं तो जाना चाहिए. Okay? What about this one?
Cross the street when cars don't come.
Okay, Rudu will tell. Come on. Cars को stop करो.
हाँ.
Yes, do not cross road when the light is green. Green light means vehicles can move, cars can move. So you should stop. And when it's red light, then only you can cross the road. पापा से बोलना है चार्ज पे लगाने के लिए. Very good. What about this one? लड़ाई नहीं करो. You, Shivan, you tell me.
Don't fight with each other.
Good job. Now, let's do this one. Good manners. Okay? Good manners. Okay, so let's talk about good manners. What do you see in the first picture?
ये bad manners है.
Mm-hmm. What are they doing? What are they doing in the first picture?
ये good manners, यहाँ पे bad manners, ये good manners.
Mm-hmm. ये क्या कर रहे हैं first picture में? Can you see a boy going to the bed?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So what do we say when we go to bed?
Good night, Mom.
Good night. Yes, so we have to
Happy
say
birthday.
good night. And when you wake up in the morning, what do you say?
Happy birthday.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, and when you cough or sneeze, what should you do?
Take a hanky and watch your hand.
Blow your nose? Okay, or cover your nose while sneezing, or cover your mouth while coughing.
Mama, wash your hands.
Wash your hands. Yes, you're
Wash your
right.
hands every day.
Wash your hands every day.
Yeah.
Yes, and when somebody, when somebody gives you any kind of present or gift,
Somebody gift, but it can be something dangerous too. So do not touch too.
yes, do not open it instantly. Hand it over to your parents and they'll open it for you.
Yes.
All right?
Do not paint the door.
Do not paint the door. Or you can say that we should help others. So here in this picture, you can see he's helping his father painting the door. Right?
Batman.
Mm-hmm.
The Batman.
What are they doing here?
Don't spill
Mm-hmm.
water everywhere or the parents will be so mad at you.
Mm-hmm. Parents will be mad at you. Okay. But what if you spilled water on the floor? What should you say in that case?
Sorry.
You can say, sorry, my bad, it's my mistake, I'll wipe it off. Right? Okay. And okay, this was it about good manners. So I hope you really liked the quality time I had spent with my kids today. And you know what? I had put these videos on my WhatsApp status today and people bombarded me with so many questions. And guess what? Almost all of them were the same. How do you train your kids to speak English? While watching this video, if you are a parent, I'm sure this question might pop up in your mind too. But let me tell you, honestly, I'm not doing anything extraordinary. I am not training them at all. It's just that I'm trying to provide them a kind of environment where they can express themselves freely, where they can make mistakes without the fear of being judged or laughed at. And I don't speak with them in English the whole day. If I add it up all, then roughly about half an hour every day. That's it. And when it comes to corrections, I never interrupt them. Whenever they speak any wrong sentence, I would simply repeat it back in a correct manner. So I would never interrupt them. I let them speak. I would simply repeat the correct sentence after them. And I don't expect them to copy me immediately. But you'll be amazed to know this thing, that kids are so keen observers. They, observe things or they listen to things so attentively and so meticulously that eventually they start using the correct sentence on their own. So this is one practice that you can also follow. Don't correct them all the time. It is not going to work this way. Correct them gently, indirectly, and you'll be amazed to know how naturally they pick up the right usage. You know what? My elder one is fond of watching cartoons, and especially these game streams where they play and talk in English at the same time. And there is one game, I'm not sure, but that is something called Milo. He loves watching it. And I always tell him, don't put this game on TV. And I keep on telling him that watch something more appropriate for your age. But he sneakily watches that game behind my back. But I tell you, he's learning some English from there. So let it be. I want him to watch cartoons like Peppa Pig, Martha Speaks, Tia and Tofu, or Simon the Rabbit because these shows are quite good. They have quite good English and some life lessons too for kids. So that's why I want them to watch that show. But you know, kids don't always like what we like. So let them be, let them enjoy their time, their little screen time. We should always limit their screen time. So, yes, that's it. So they're enjoying and learning at the same time. So, before I end this vlog, let me tell you language grows naturally when it is lived, not forced. So, don't force this language on your kids, okay? Try to live this language with them. Try to learn some daily life phrases or daily life sentences that you can use with your kids, okay? Sentences like, wake up, sleepyhead, time to rise and shine, time to brush your teeth, keep your toys back. Let's tidy up the room. Are you hungry? Pull up your socks. Or more sentences like this. There is a lot to learn. You can also take help of ChatGPT in this. Try to fetch some daily life related sentences that you can use with your kids. Okay? So, at this note, I would like to end this vlog today. And I hope you really enjoyed as much as I did. We'll see you in the next one. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Okay? Then we'll see you in the next one. And till then, start living the language, not just learning it. Okay?